The physiological location of the soul in the brain. Considered to be the essence of a human being, it is thought to be the cause of life, emotion, experience, and spiritual being. When attempting to identify the physiological area of the brain that is most closely associated with the concept of the soul, one must account for the historical background of this quest and the function and activation of certain projections of the brain. The belief in religion was the catalyst of civilization beginning to wonder how the body interacts with the existence of a soul. During the height of Egyptian culture, it was thought that the heart was the internal organ of the human body, as well as the location of the spiritual soul. Galen, a Roman physician and surgeon, considered such functions of the mind, like thought, memory, and perception, as actions of the logical soul, and believed that ventricles in the brain stored spirits, or life-carrying fluids, and mediated the rational soul. During the mid-1600s, an English doctor named Thomas Willis speculated that it is only humans that have an internal soul, and that this is what makes humankind so unique. During the 1500s, Andreas Vesalius, a European physician, believed that humans were the only beings that were capable of having a logical faculty based upon dissecting animals, in which he did not find any neuroanatomical distinctions or special possessions of soul-holding cavities in the brain. This led René Descartes, a French philosopher, to the theory that the pineal gland in the brain was specially designed for this purpose. He reasoned that the existence of a single pineal gland is best utilized by combining the influences from both eyes and both ears into a singular, amalgamated experience. Phineas Gage was a victim of an accident when a tampering rod penetrated his face and exited out of his frontal lobe, which led to marked behavioral changes and inspired the idea that behavior dealing with moral discernment and cultural conduct is directly attributed to certain regions of the brain. The hippocampus is responsible for storing short-term and long-term memory. Therefore, it would stand to reason that one's understanding or recollection of experience, which is encompassed in the soul, is largely manipulated by this region. Descartes may not have been so inaccurate when he stressed the importance of the pineal gland in the existence of the soul. It was found that during meditation, that activation in the pineal gland leads to the production of the relaxant melatonin, which can affect the body. This finding suggests that the pineal gland does play a role in induced spiritual experience, which may be linked to the experience of the soul. It is likely that all of the structures of the brain interact to form behaviors, cognitions, emotions, and personality to complete one's soul.